Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Gingerbread house, and there's M&M right here and milk chocolate, my favorite. And from the last one that we did, we used these sprinkles, and we're going to use some of them for this one. I love them. I don't know why I keep taking one. This is so good. I just whip it or what?
No, just open it up. There you go. Good girl.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Smells good.
That looks like all of the gingerbread house stuff itself.
Ooh, we got the M&M's.
Mini M&Ms.
Ooh, and the rest of them. Oh, I think it comes with a little snack here. Yum.
Yum, the little snack.
See?
Yep. But that stuff probably is going to go on the gingerbread house.
Oh. Probably have some extra. Can I eat them?
If we have extra, yes, you can.
Yay. It's like no problem.
We'll make it right on this plate, okay?
But there was also another one that I really liked with the Skittles. I would like that better.
I'll open this up for you.
I love squeezing the frosting.
Okay.
I mean the icing.
Okay, these are all the pieces of the house.
Alright, we need to break this.
There you go. You gotta break them all off. There you go.
So
Break the bottoms off.
Wait,
also.
we're gonna put them together so it'll be easy.
Okay.
Yeah, back I just need to wash my hands because it's so dirty from the soil. I don't know why the soil is so crumbly.
Okay, do you know what they use this for?
There's like outlines?
The outline and what else?
Detail.
To glue the pieces together.
How are we gonna put it on?
I'll show you.
Do we just squeeze it
Okay, this
out?
is, yes. This is the sides of the house. They
know.
go like that.
No.
Okay,
So,
let me open this up for you so that you can glue it together. Okay.
the pieces always stick together, see?
Yeah, we'll put some frosting glue on them. How's that?
You hold this and I'll squeeze, alright? Because then it'll be
All right, let me make sure which way it goes there, pumpkin. Yep, I guess it goes this way. Okay, so you put a little bit right here. Wait a minute. Let me get this off of here.
Where does it come out from?
It comes out right there.
Yeah, it's gonna be a bit hard. I never use it.
No. The way you do it is you do it like this, pumpkin.
Oh.
See, and put the
Okay.
line, put the line.
Yeah.
Squeeze it, wait a minute.
Okay.
No, it doesn't go there. It goes right here, on here. Start at the top. Oh, wait, here.
I can't do it.
Yeah.
I'm better at doing the details, Grandpa.
Okay.
So maybe you can do it for me. See, it's super hard to like put it on, right?
Yeah, it is super hard to put it on.
See? Because I'm not that strong as you are. Want a Bailey? Want a
No,
Bailey?
no, thank you.
I asked the camera if he wants a Bailey.
Okay.
I'll put the side piece right here. Wait. No, 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 no. It's the wrong side.
Okay.
I sticked it.
Wait a minute. I gotta stand it up. There we go.
We almost got it. It's coming along good.
Wait.
Right, Grandpa?
Yeah.
We got all walls done. Like in Minecraft, this would take forever. I guess if we would build a gingerbread house in Minecraft, it would probably be like a brick because like
Okay, these go here.
gingerbread.
I gotta put some more of this on.
I'll be eating this now. Smells great.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and there's also like snow dripping from the roof.
Yeah.
But it makes it add like super cool detail to it.
Okay. Uh-oh.
What? It's falling?
Yeah, it's falling.
I guess this wasn't a good after all.
It'll be okay.
Ah.
Yeah.
So, if you actually do that in Minecraft, I guess you would definitely go
Grandpa's
like
gonna clean
that.
his hands.
Okay.
Okay. Now, let's see what we got. We got most of the house put together already. Now we need to finish
Decorate. I know.
finish with the snow.
Oh,
This goes from being glue to being snow.
oh, can you like make like a little like a icicle?
Yeah.
Like a little icicle with it. That would be super cute. Right, Grandpa?
Yeah.
With the like on both of the sides. And like one right here and one right here. So it'd be like super cute. Like a real hanging icicle.
Yep.
Like decorations because that would be so cute.
Okay.
Oh no, maybe we can use the blue M&M. Actually no, the frosting will be better.
I guess they want it down here. There we go.
I know why I'm making a horsey.
Now you're gonna have to be careful because it'll cave in on you. Okay. There you go. Now,
You're gonna make these icicles on the corners.
put Grandpa sit down.
Tired of stand.
Oops, you dropped them.
Oh, those are just my M&Ms.
Oh no.
What? Oh, it's falling apart.
Yeah.
How?
We're gonna have to wait.
We'll see you in a bit, guys, until they're falling.
Let me see if I can.
Hi. Said today. So, like he said earlier, we're gonna make this gingerbread house. Big.
Okay, let's put it together.
Moxie, if it breaks in pieces, can you eat it?
Well, let's decorate it first,
But
okay?
if it does,
I will see. So I gotta put more icing here, so you can put the M&Ms on them. So let me get some scissors. Let me put the icing on. See, it's taken 3 people to make this little mini M&M gingerbread house, huh?
did you really forget what it was? Did you forget the word?
Yeah, I did. I forgot it was a gingerbread house. Okay, Grandpa's gonna put it on.
There you go.
Ooh, alrighty. Get the M&Ms.
I got one M&M, one red
Okay,
pen.
put them on.
Gonna place this.
Alright.
Ooh.
You gotta hurry up before it gets, so it don't get hard.
And make them all
Ooh.
different colors.
That's gonna look so beautiful.
It's a little off edge right here.
Okay, you want some on the roof? Let's put some on the roof on these.
I put a little bubble guys.
Yeah.
I don't know why that frosting is so. This kind of is off mine too.
Okay, put some here before this hardens, and then we'll do the other side.
Wanna help us too?
You bet.
Put them upside down. So you can't like move. Well, there we go. One, but that's
Look at that. Look at how gorgeous this looks.
Which one should the last one be? I think it would be a good sage mix and a bit of black. Like here.
Alrighty. Now
Foxy's a lot better at it than Grandpa was, huh?
let's do this side.
It's like quacking. Ew. M&Ms.
There's one.
Wow, that
Two.
looks beautiful.
3. Okay, let's put them on. Yellow,
Red.
green,
Black.
blue.
Green. Yellow. Someone do the last one. Right here.
Here you go. Now where do you want them?
I think like the door, like I want it to be like a fancy doorway,
A fancy doorway?
like how they have on pizza.
How's that?
And
Okay.
it's colored in.
Yeah.
Oh, Botsy. How about you put a little frosting like there?
You want it in the middle too? Okay.
Yeah, so it can like stick one.
Right in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, for the doorway. For that
Okay.
little knob, doorknob. Wouldn't that be
Alrighty.
cute?
Yes, that would be cute.
What color do you think it to be?
How about blue?
Okay.
Right?
Actually, I think this.
Right? Blue, blue, I love you.
It's kind of like a doorknob.
Oh, okay. That looks gorgeous.
Yeah.
How about we put something right up here? Okay, and one right
No, 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 no,
No?
no. Take this on.
here. Okay, we won't put it there. Oh, okay, yeah, eat that.
Okay, you get this side to do also.
Ooh, we got another door. Okay, you decorate this one, and I'll fill it in. Okay.
It's to make
Wow.
up like the outline of the door.
I
This
did.
part.
The window?
Yeah, like this part. So I
Okay.
can like put like a yellow there for like a bit of a decoration.
How's that?
Oh yeah, like we can like put like yellow in the middle, like some
Okay.
lights.
Yeah,
like
there you
other
go.
colors.
You're right.
Because you'll have a lot of yellows left.
Okay, let's do the other window.
Wait. Put some frosting right here.
Okay.
That can be a little wreath.
Wreath? Okay, let me see.
This can be back and this can be front, but it can only be one wreath
Okay,
because
right.
we have one green.
Do we open up this package too?
I think so. Or
These
that's
are,
just the eating package.
these are bigger ones.
Ooh.
Ooh.
I think I could actually take this one off.
Yeah, let's put a big one there.
Yeah, that would be
Yeah.
better.
Oh, that's perfect. All right.
Now we have room for the other.
Alrighty.
Please, tease.
Alrighty.
this
Here's
one's-
another wreath.
All of them are falling apart, so I guess I'll just eat it, right?
Oh yeah, just eat it. It's all falling apart.
Foxy's
Okay.
better at that than Grandpa, huh?
Put a nice big one there.
Ah, wrong way.
There. Gotta lick our fingers, huh?
Where's these other little
Right here.
Put like some two glues on those sides.
How about like that?
Yeah, and we can put
Yeah.
two on
Okay.
these corners.
Ooh.
And then we can put a big bus here.
And I guess the ones that aren't here, we get to eat, huh?
No, there's still this side of the house to do.
Oh, man.
Lots to do. I know.
Okay, here's a window.
You're
Fill in that window, and then
What's here? Oh. There we go. It's yellow.
all right, let's fill in the bottom. Look at that. Let me put just a little bit more right there.
We
There.
wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy
New Year.
Holiday.
Yeah. Oh, is there going to be any left?
We finished.
Woohoo!
Looks good, but
Tell them what you
one
built.
more part before we end the video.
Okay, what's
I'm
one more
looking-
part?
Turn
Turn
that
around.
around. No,
No,
there you go.
No, not like this.
Grandpa
We need
wanted to
do
see it.
icicles.
I don't know if we can. I will try.
You
Like
said,
that?
like dripping down. Yes.
Okay,
On the
hopefully.
corner side. Oh, this is so cool. It's like the icicles are like,
Fallen, huh?
yeah.
We'll do it in the
cool.
back too, right here.
Yeah. There we go. Icicles dripping along.
Wow.
So I guess we're done. So I guess we get to
Yep.
eat these.
Yeah.
Oh, the window.
Oh, I don't got enough. Let's see.
Oh.
Let me see if I got enough. Because we did the icicles.
It's gonna have a bit of extra detail.
Okay, put in for the window right there, a yellow one.
Alright.
All right, and what do you say?
Thanks for watching.
Look at the camera.
Thanks for watching.
Say, see you next video.
See you next video.
Say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year with all them M&Ms in your mouth.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Bye.
Bye.
Does she have enough?
Want to take a picture of that like a